The 2026 Chevrolet SS396 is a modern revival of an iconic muscle car, blending classic power with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, it packs a monstrous 6.5-liter V8 engine, pushing out an estimated 600 horsepower, delivering raw, unfiltered muscle car performance. With a 6-speed manual or an optional 10-speed automatic transmission, it offers both nostalgia and modern driving dynamics. The exterior design is a perfect balance of retro and futuristic, featuring an aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that pay homage to the original SS396. The signature SS badging, dual racing stripes, and functional hood scoop add to its bold presence. Inside, the 2026 SS396 offers a driver-focused cockpit with a mix of premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trims. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch infotainment system with Chevrolet's latest MyLink interface provide seamless connectivity. The seats are bolstered for spirited driving while maintaining long-distance comfort. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system come standard, ensuring a tech-savvy experience. On the road, the SS396 delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience. With a performance-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and Brembo brakes, it offers precise handling and exceptional stopping power. Multiple drive modes allow customization of throttle response, steering feel, and suspension stiffness, making it suitable for both city cruising and track days. The exhaust system features an active valve control, letting you switch between a deep, throaty rumble and an all-out roar. Chevrolet has engineered the 2026 SS396 to be a modern muscle car masterpiece. It stays true to its heritage while embracing the future, making it a dream machine for enthusiasts who crave performance, style, and cutting-edge technology in one thrilling package.